Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to deposit money in Tradingview. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next one is how can you create an account on Tradingview? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice, indicate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com, and that's going to take you right into the Tradingview website. So once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen instructions to sign up. Now, after creating your account and signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to deposit money in Tradingview. So first off, search markets here. I'm going to just click on this Tesla so that my Tesla charts window is going to be open, and from there we're going to see if we can actually deposit money in Tradingview. Now this is a chart. Now first of all, I'd like you to know that there is no direct command that allows you to deposit money into Tradingview. Why? Because Tradingview is not a site like other brokers that allows you to to actually trade, like do live trading. All right, so Tradingview is for viewing details of brokers, viewing details of currencies, viewing details of the entire crypto market. It allows you to analyze crypto data, to analyze the market, to analyze indicators, use indicators to analyze charts for you to know when exactly to buy a particular asset or when not to buy that asset. It just allows you to stay on top of any trend when it comes to crypto assets. All right, but then Tradingview does not allow the direct deposit of money. All right, now since you cannot deposit money directly in Tradingview, there is something that you can do. All right, so add funds to your broker and then connect it to Tradingview. So how do you search for brokers? Launch any chart, then scroll the way down where you have stock screener, pine editor, strategy tester, and trading panel. And once you click on that, you have all of these brokers. So go ahead and select any of the brokers, and once you select any of the brokers, connect it to Tradingview, and then from there you'll be able to use that broker in Tradingview. So from your broker, let's say Binance, ensure that you have deposited funds into your Binance, and after depositing funds into your Binance, then you can come to here. You can come to this trading panel and click on Binance, click on Connect, and once you click on Connect, you will now be able to use Binance on Tradingview with your Binance account already loaded up. But then to directly deposit money into Tradingview is currently impossible. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.